Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of Bitcoin on Cash App, you might have hit that frustrating withdrawal limit. Today, we're tackling how to increase your Cash App Bitcoin withdrawal limit in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this guide will help you maximize your withdrawals and make the most of your investments. Let's jump right in. First off, understand that Cash App sets withdrawal limits to protect users and comply with regulations. As we head into 2025, these limits might evolve with new tech like enhanced AI verification, but the core steps remain solid. Start by checking your current limit. Open the Cash App, go to the Bitcoin section, and look for your account settings. This gives you a baseline. Step 1. Verify your identity. In 2025, this could involve advanced biometric scans or blockchain-based ID checks. Make sure your profile is fully set up with your real name, date of birth, and a government-issued ID. Once verified, you'll unlock higher limits almost immediately. Next, link and verify a bank account or debit card. Cash App rewards users who connect reliable payment methods, as it reduces fraud risks. Go to the Banking tab, add your account, and complete the verification process. Pro tip: use an account with a good transaction history to speed things up. Now, build your transaction volume. Cash App often increases limits for users with a proven track record. Start by making regular deposits and withdrawals of Bitcoin. Over time, as you show responsible behavior, your limits should rise automatically. In 2025, look out for new features like limit boosters that might let you earn increases through app activities or referrals. Don't forget security. Always enable two-factor authentication and monitor your account for suspicious activity. If you're still stuck, contact Cash App support directly. They can review your account and provide personalized advice. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be withdrawing more Bitcoin in no time. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.